Are you tired of your real estate marketing efforts feeling scattered and disconnected? Well, today, we're going to bridge that gap and show you how to seamlessly integrate the power of Kvcore with the design flexibility of WordPress using a plugin, connecting your CRM directly to your website. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need administrator privileges to install plugins. Now, navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Kvcore. Look for the official Kvcore plugin, usually identified by the Kvcore logo and clear branding. Once you've located the correct plugin, click the Install Now button. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Now, find the Kvcore plugin in your installed plugins list and click on the Settings link, or look for a dedicated Kvcore menu item that appeared after activation. This will take you to the plugin settings page. Here, you'll need to connect your Kvcore account. You'll likely need your Kvcore API key, which you can find within your Kvcore account settings. Refer to Kvcore's documentation for the exact location. Once connected, the plugin might provide shortcodes, widgets, or Gutenberg blocks. Use these to embed Kvcore functionalities, like property searches or lead capture forms, directly onto your WordPress pages and posts. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Kvcore with your WordPress website. This integration will now streamline your lead generation, keep your branding consistent across platforms, and give you more control over your real estate marketing.